what's going on, guys? Trade recap. Let me show y'all what I did and steps I took to winning this trade today. So let's get straight to it. My mama, we lit. All right, let's get it. Let's go ahead and hide this stuff. All right, so on the hourly, man, coming in the pre-market. All right, I'll just remove all this shit so I can actually mark. On the pre-market, hourly was pretty bullish. It was like pretty bullish. Uh, we kept breaking structure, making higher highs, higher lows. We swept out this high right here during pre-market. Got legs down, sweeping out these hourly lows and stuff. Um, I knew President Trump was speaking today, and it said tentative, so it didn't really say what time. So I was just being cautious of that. We were hovering in this fucking big ass imbalance right here. It wasn't really doing much for real, so I think we already got a reaction off of it, so I wasn't really too worried about it. But yeah, so we swept out that high, this hourly high. So I marked out this hourly high as a potential draw on liquidity, and I marked out this low. So these are my draws for today. This high, this low, because all these already got swept. So I'm scaling into the 5 minute, waiting for market to open to see what it wants to do. As you can see, when market opened, we were pretty close to this low, so we came down a little bit further, swept it up, swept it out. Yeah, so we market open, we came down, swept out this hourly liquidity. We immediately broke structure to the upside on the 5 minute. So my main bias was longs. That's mainly what I was looking for. When I seen it got swept and get a break of structure on the very next candle, I mainly wanted longs for today. So after we broke structure, we were slowly moving up. Then the macro open, we broke structure again. Then the macro open. So now I'm waiting for like a 5 minute confluence. Um, we got to tap in on this order block right here. Boom. So I'm scaling into the 1 minute, waiting for a break of structure and a fair value gap entry off of the hourly liquidity sweep, 5 minute break of structure, and 5 minute order block fill. I'm in the 1 minute looking for a break of structure and any type of third confluence. As you can see, we get a break right here when the macro opens. So now I'm really just looking for a third confluence now. I entered this trade off of equilibrium from this low all the way up to this high, as you can see. And then we also had this fair value gap that got disrespected. So yeah, that's where I place my long position. Stops where the equilibrium is. Under this equilibrium, first, my one and only take profit was the draw I mentioned earlier, this hourly draw on liquidity, pre-market high. And that was my only take profit for today. It was about a 1-to-1 risk to reward for real. Some light. And yeah, I stuck to my bias. I stuck to my trading plan and followed my rules, followed my steps, and this was a good trade. I'm satisfied with this. I just wish we could have had more draws to target. Like, since we got a significant move down yesterday, there's not really any draws to target besides that pre-market high that I marked out for a 1-to-1. But yeah, that's the trade recap for today, guys.